Hi guys, you watching Agitex. There is a new iPhone SE2 leaks and details 2018. For more updates, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. What we were saying is exactly looks like an iPhone 5s and iPhone SE, but in this iPhone SE2 the screen was in the full of the borders. There is no bezels on the screen like iPhone X, but these are in the leaks which are viral in YouTube, but this is the not final design by Apple. By the way, iPhone SE is the last fingerprint sensor phone in Apple. This is the last and the final device which are getting by the Apple. There is a new features in iPhone SE2 as usually as like a 5S and iPhone SE, the 4-inch Retina display with the new design as a glass back design with A10 Fusion processor, 2 gigs of RAM as usually in iPhone SE, and 12 megapixel rear camera same as iPhone 7, 5 megapixel front camera. Touch ID is not declared. Is it first generation what we see in iPhone 5s or iPhone 5s in iPhone SE, but there is a second generation Touch ID will be there in iPhone SE2. Wireless charging as like a iPhone 8 and 8 Plus. There is a new update in battery. Previously 1660 mAh battery, but in the iPhone SE2 1700 mAh battery. There is a new 16 GB and 64 GB capacity. There is a new 32 GB and 128 GB capacity. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please hit on like button.